All right, I am in the finish department. We've got a 990 gallon cured, got some stickers on there already. You can see the shine, the welds, what they look like. It's going on here, which is currently getting the axles on there. Looks like it's getting a rear cabinet as well. And these get bolted on. Here you can see it's got those holes there. We've got 5 bolts in the front, 5 bolts in the back. This allows the frame to twist somewhat as it's needed without putting the stress on the tank. Now our frame and our tank has got 3-year warranty. The way our tanks are welded and the frames, no problems. We've got trailers out there far past 3 years, and the way we're doing our tanks right now, no leaks. Gladly back it up. That's why you can trust Boss Trailers. We'll back up our product, and that's a little bit why we do it the way we do it. Oh yeah, and this way it's also, even though we bolt it on, it's powder coated underneath everywhere. Everything is covered with a powder coat, so as far as the rust goes, then you don't have any areas where water can get in and start rusting. Got to keep your equipment looking great.